Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to copper plate bullets. First, gather your materials, including pure copper for the anode, a low-voltage direct current power supply, and a non-reactive container, such as glass or plastic. Safety is paramount, so always work in a well-ventilated area and wear appropriate protective gear, like gloves and eye protection. Begin by meticulously cleaning your bullets to remove any oils or surface oxides, which is crucial for achieving a strong, even copper bond. Next, we'll prepare the electrolyte solution, which is vital for the plating process. A common recipe involves combining copper sulfate, often sourced from root killer products, with distilled water and a small amount of sulfuric acid. For instance, you might use about 2 pounds of copper sulfate dissolved in 1 gallon of distilled water. Then, carefully introduce battery acid, which typically contains around 35% sulfuric acid. To complete your plating bath, always add acid slowly to water. With your solution ready, set up the electroplating cell. Connect your pure copper anode to the positive terminal of your direct current power supply. The bullets, which will be plated, serve as the cathode and should be connected to the negative terminal. Carefully submerge both the anode and the bullets into the electrolyte, ensuring they remain separated. Apply a low direct current, usually between 1.5 to 12 volts, and allow the process to run for several hours, often with gentle agitation. Once the desired copper thickness is achieved, carefully remove the bullets from the solution. Rinse them thoroughly with distilled water to neutralize any remaining chemicals and prevent corrosion. Allow them to dry completely. Copper plating offers several advantages, including significantly reducing lead fouling in your barrel and enhancing overall projectile performance. A uniform copper layer, often around 1/1000th of an inch thick, provides excellent protection and a professional finish.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.